Here's the liner. I decided just to tape the liner on there. Some people said to make the liner separate, but I'm not skilled enough, so I just taped it on there like that. And I did that end. We'll do the other pieces. We'll make a pocket next before we glue that piece on. Upside down and then just gives it a little more stability too in there. And the last piece. That's how we're going to sew on the zipper now. So I don't want a raw edge on my zipper, so I'm going to sew it backwards. Still here. Like this. It looks backwards, but when we flip it over like this, it will be right, and then there'll be no edges. Also, there, now it's the right way. So it's on this side. So when I stitch it and then I roll it over, it will be the right way. I'm just finishing up here my second layer, second row. And I always go back 3 stitches. Some trimming. Looks like 2 good rows. Now when I flip it over like this, it's going to be exactly right. I marked a line 1 inch, 1 inch from here to there. Put some double face tape on. Let's move this so you can see. 1 inch line. And I stuck that down. Like that. That way, so you can see it, it's straight along here. Then there's no, it's a finished edge. That'll stay there once we get the edges all sewed. I'll do the other side. Right, so you have to put it in outside to outside, like this. You sew it on like straight across the edge like before. And then when you flip it over, it'll be like that. On my way back, second one, it's kind of hard to keep straight, so I built up some boxes here. Spinning around, I give 3 more stitches backwards in the same line. Yeah. Can't really see it too. Just flip it over, see what it turned out straight. There it is. Okay. Okay, so I've done it all around again, black. Test. Okay, there it is. So we're going to sew it now. See how it goes. Well, I restitched it, which is proof sometimes you have to do things twice, but the bottom is fine. I just taped it there, but I'll have to put a couple of stitches. You can see it's overlapped a little bit, so I'll just stitch it across here a couple times. It should be good. Here's the bottom. Put 2 rolls, taped it, and then put 2 rows of stitching on there. I think that's going to be fine. I was going to put something over top, but I decided, no, that's good. And then when you have the base in there, the stiffener, there'll be no pressure on this center seam anyway. Should be really good. You have the base here. Just took some lining and I'm just gonna make a sleeve for it. Voila. And I just sewed a sleeve for it. Okay, there it is. Strap there. It's all done. See here, I'm not quite done yet. I didn't sew this in here. This just figured out. Put a couple rivets in here. This will be where your handle of your suitcase would slide over. So let me just set it on there. It would stay where you put it on your luggage. That's it. That's the bag. My blood stain on there. You know, it just adds character. There you go. Okay, you can see I put the 3 rivets in there. Never showed you, but it's the same process. I made this strap across here so your handle of your luggage fits in there if this is a carry-on. And there it is, all done. Well, look, open the inside. I just have a couple pillows in there to keep it shape, but I'm gonna pull that out. Time. And then there's your zipper. There it is, 44 hours later. Thanks for watching.